guys, it's Katie, and today's video is going to be an apartment tour. So I did a room tour a couple weeks ago. I said I wanted to do an apartment tour, so I'm very excited to show you our place, and let's get right into it. We are going to start with an overview. So there's our kitchen, there's a hallway, there's our living room. So yeah, that's an overview of the place. Here's our lovely front door. We have 2 ant traps because no one wants ants in their house. We have a mat for shoes. Basically, you just put them there when you walk in. We have a nightlight on this plug, and that's because if anyone comes in late, it's just easier to see that way. These 2 little cute pumpkins are sitting on our windowsill. Absolutely adorable. And then we're going to get into the main kitchen area. Here's our makeshift pantry, and we bought this 4-tier rack from Walmart. It's really useful. We just have all of our food separated out by person. Mine, of course, is on the bottom shelf because I'm the shortest, but it's a really easy way to store food. Then we have a step stool, and this is just because there are some high shelves that a lot of us can't reach because we're all pretty short here. Next to that is our fridge, and we have some magnets. This is actually a bottle opener, which is pretty cool. Then we have a chore list, a grocery list, and then a reminder to shut our fridge because sometimes it doesn't seal. We got this whiteboard from Walmart for like $1.60, so that was a pretty good deal. Then we have just a couple water bottles up top. And then in terms of our kitchen, we like to keep everything pretty simple, and we keep our electronics unplugged if we're not using them because it does save a lot on our electricity bill. So there's a life hack for you. Starting out, we have a Keurig and then bread. Our stovetop, we have the little spoon that we use for cooking. We have some really cute sunflower towels. This is our wonderful microwave. Over on this side, we have our toaster, paper towel rack, paper towel rolls. We have salt and pepper shakers, and then every single cooking utensil you could possibly need. I'm not going to show you what's in each cabinet. It's just basic kitchen stuff like silverware, plates, bowls, stuff like that. So that's just kind of an overview. On this side, we have napkin holder, and then we have tissues. This is a drying mat where we put our dishes to dry once we wash them. We also have a dishwasher that low-key kind of stinks, but it's fine. And we just have a cute little watermelon that tells us if the dishes in there are dirty or clean. We have dishwashing soap, we have regular hand soap, and then some sponges. And then there are a couple more cabinet spaces down there. On the end of this island, we have a air freshener, just so it smells good, and it's kind of by the trash because obviously trash doesn't smell good. Trash can, and then recycling bin. On the other side of this, we have 3 stools where we kind of have our island area. We do homework here, we eat here, hang out here. Not all 4 of us are usually here at the same time, so we don't really need 4. The apartment only came with 3 anyways. But yeah, they're pretty not comfortable, but it's fine. Now we're gonna move on to the living room, and we literally just recently made it really pretty. So we have lights strung up, so cute. And then starting over here, we have 1 single seat, a kind of side table. We have a standing lamp that gives off a lot of good light when it's dark out. We have another really comfortable chair. This is our TV stand. We have a couple bins. So first off, these are little light up bottles. Super cute. Our TV is from Walmart. It only cost us like $99, and if you split that between 4 people, it's like $25. So it was a really good deal, and we use it all the time. Down below, we have some bins. So the first bin, this one is filled with cords. This one has Wiimotes and other remotes. These are all of our games that we like to play. Wii console, and then these are all our Wii games. So it looks so much better than it was before. It's just kind of all put together. And then hopefully we want to get a basket and put like a bunch of blankets there to cover up those cords. Now here's the upstairs. I'm not actually going to go upstairs, but there are 2 bedrooms upstairs and also a bathroom. So this is kind of an overview of the apartment. On our coffee table, we have coasters and then remotes. And then here's our super cute couch. Look how cute these pillows are. So we have 2 blue pillows, and then a Welcome Autumn and a pumpkin pillow, which I absolutely love. So yeah, super cute. Now we're gonna go down into the hallway. And this first door, these are the washer and then the dryer, and then we just keep kind of like our laundry detergent there. so that's fun. And then on the flip side, we have all of our cleaning supplies hanging, so like a Swiffer vacuum broom, that sort of fun stuff. And then this is the hallway on the main floor. So we have the thermometer, temperature gauge thing, it's 73 right now. There's one bedroom, and then that is my bedroom, and here's the bathroom. Hello. So here's our bathroom. This is my side, this is my roommate's side. I just have a bunch of stuff kind of just chilling there. We have the toilet, the shower. These two shelves are mine, and these two shelves are hers. And then we have a towel rack right there. So it's not very exciting, it's just a bathroom. Alright, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will talk to you later. Bye!